Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make spinach and bacon quiche. We'll walk through each step to create a truly delicious and satisfying meal. This classic dish is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a light dinner. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to achieve a golden, flaky crust and a wonderfully creamy, flavorful filling. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this timeless recipe that's both comforting and elegant. Let's gather our essential ingredients for this delightful quiche. You'll need 1 9-inch pie crust, either store-bought or homemade, 6 large eggs, and a blend of 1 cup of heavy cream with 1/4 cup of milk for that rich, custardy texture. Don't forget 6 ounces of fresh spinach, 6 slices of crispy, crumbled bacon, and 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, like Gruyere or Swiss, to add a wonderful depth of flavor. Now let's assemble our quiche. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Evenly distribute the crispy bacon, fresh spinach, and shredded cheese into your pie crust. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 6 large eggs, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper until everything is perfectly combined. Gently pour this creamy egg mixture over the fillings in your pie crust, ensuring an even distribution. It's time to bake our masterpiece. Place your quiche in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 35 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is beautifully golden brown and the center is set. A knife inserted near the middle should come out clean. Once baked, let the quiche cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing. This allows the filling to set properly. Then, serve warm and savor every delicious bite of your homemade spinach and bacon quiche.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.